and welcome to Alpha 1. This Sunday morning we are once again going to run the binary option robot Alpha Master. You can download the robot you will see in this video also and use it today. Just use the link you see up there right now and you can download this robot, or just use the link you find below the video. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Also below the video you'll find a link to my free Forex Telegram channel, so if you're interested about that, check it out. So make sure you see to the end of the video. I will show the trades we have taken and the win rate and all this good stuff. But now let's start up Alpha Master. So now let's take a look at the trades I've taken. From the statistics says that we have taken only 5 trades and we have 40% win rate. That is actually not correct. You see we have taken 7 trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we won 4 out of 7 trades. That means around 60% win rate. So it's a little better than one says there. So once again, a perfect day with Alpha 1 Master. You can download this robot also, link below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.